Mini rescue videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. This page has gained 146,000 followers in this niche, and they've hit 4.2, 7.4, and even 29.1 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the mini rescue generator, and click the first link. In the GPT, hit start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 2. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The detail on the figures, the water rushing through, they look great. So pick the one you like and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Seedance 2.0. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggles on. Set the mode to normal. Choose 9:16, 720p, 10 seconds, and hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.